In this video, you will learn how to prepare 0.01 normal solution of 37% HCl. Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Source of Skills. Please like and subscribe our channel for informative videos. Required preparatives and chemicals include hydrochloric acid, miring flask of 500 milliliters, distilled water in a beaker, pipette, and a funnel. First of all, we will find out the normality, but for normality, we must have to find molarity. So the formula of molarity is percentage of HCl multiplied by its density whole divided by its molecular weight and multiplied by 10. By putting the values as 37 multiplied by 1.19 whole divided by 36.5 multiplied by 10, we get our molarity as 12. Now normality is equal to molarity multiplied by acidity. The acidity of HCl is 1. So we get our normality as 12 too. Now we have to find out the volume by using the formula as N1V1 is equal to N2V2, where N1 is the normality of HCl, which is 12 normal, N2 is the normality of our required solution, which is 0.01 normal. V1 is our required volume from 12 molar HCl, and V2 is our final solution volume, which is 500 milliliters. V1 is equal to N2V2 whole divided by N1. By putting the values as 0.01 multiplied by 500 whole divided by 12, we get a volume as 0.41 milliliters. Let's start our preparation. First of all, take a miring flask. Now add some distilled water into this miring flask with the help of a funnel. Please do not add concentrated acids directly into the miring flask, because in this case you may harm yourself or you can break your miring flask. Now take HCl and pipette out our required volume of HCl, which we find it out as 0.41 milliliters. Add this 0.41 milliliter into the miring flask. Now fill this miring flask up to the 500 milliliter point with distilled water. You have successfully prepared 0.01 normal solution of 37% HCl. Now you can store it in any bottle you want. Thank you.